Hi, welcome to my course, Constructor Your First Game. My name's Jeff and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. In this course, we're going to build a simple game together. It's very simple, but it's quite addictive. The concept of the game is simple as well. We have a little baby dragon that flies around the screen, and you have 1 minute to catch him as many times as you can. I've named the game Catch Kobe. Yeah, I know. As I said, it sounds simple, but every time you do catch him, he gets faster and harder to catch the next time. So the idea of the game is to catch him as many times in 1 minute and beat your high score the next time you play the game. Don't worry, I've designed this course for anyone who's never made a game in their life before, someone who's absolutely no programming skills whatsoever. I will show you step by step how to download and use the free game making program called Construct 2. It's really easy to use, and with a bit of time and practice you can make some amazing games with it. So before we get started, I will need you to download Construct 2 and the resource file that I've supplied. This resource file contains all the artwork and the sound files for the game we're going to make.